Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the purple marker from Roblox Find The Markers. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large rectangle in the center of the page. Next, across the center of the rectangle, let's draw a line across. Now let's draw the circle pattern on the right side. In the bottom section on the right, let's draw a semicircle from the side. And now 2 more semicircle lines around it. Let's draw the face next. I'll start with the eye with a black oval on the left side here. Next, let's draw the mouth. Underneath, let's start on the left side and draw a curve inwards, stopping here. And now we're going to draw a C curve at the end. Let's draw the legs next. Let's start underneath the body, and in the center, we're going to draw 2 thick black lines down. And then going outwards at the bottom, we're going to draw black ovals for the feet. And the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the arms now. On the left side, let's draw a bent line down and out to the left. And then add a black circle at the end. Now let's hop to the right side, and we're going to draw a curve down and out like this. And then again, we're going to add a black circle at the end. And that's it for this cute purple marker. Now let's quickly color it in. Thanks for drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!